Hey guys, ready for another AT unboxing? This one is super timely because, baby, it's cold outside, so I need some coffee and I need some help with some pouring cups. So here we have it. This is the pouring cup that is switch accessible, and I've got a treadle switch right here. We can do science experiments, we can do a coffee bar, you name it. But check it out. It's time to pour a little hot water in my coffee cup. Awesome. Bring it on home. And I'm ready for some coffee, a little caffeine, a little bit more warmth. That's AT unboxing. Check it out.